What's up, tartlets? It's Jen, and today we're gonna do, I actually don't know what we're gonna do. I'm gonna kind of make it up as I go today. Don't have a plan. We're gonna use an array of products. Let's just get into it. All right, I'm putting up my hair. Okay, let's dive into eyes first. I'm gonna start by using our limited edition flower powered Amazonian clay blush in the shade Fairy Flush. Look how nice this shade is. It's gorgeous. I'm actually gonna put it into the crease of my eye and right along the lower lash line. Wait, but before that, I'm gonna shape tape my eye area so that all the colors really pop. Hold on. All right, I'm using shape tape in the shade Fair. You've been far away. And moving back to our flower powered blush. My heart is on display, but I'm not afraid. Yeah, I'm not afraid. Why you been getting busy? I've been getting dizzy, trying not to keep you in mind. All right, now I'm gonna tap into our flower powered Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust palette. So pretty. Mine's been used, so I apologize. It's kind of a mess. I'm gonna use the shade Mystical right here, and we're gonna apply this right into our crease, but right below that blush shade. Waiting for you. I've been waiting for you. Been waiting for you. Been waiting for you. Do what you gotta do. Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. Now we're gonna go over that with the shade Flitter. Now we're gonna pick up a little bit of the shade Wish, and we're gonna apply this right to the lower lash line. Looking crazy, don't worry, it's all gonna come together. We're just having fun. This is just a fun video. All right, we're gonna move on to liquid liner. I'm gonna use our Man-Eater liquid liner. I haven't used this in a while, so I'm excited to use this. Don't be wasting mine. Alright, that just like glided right on and it looked so good. Alright, that just glided right on and I think it looks so good. Alright, it's time for some lashes. I'm going to be using our Tarte Pro cruelty-free lashes in the style Man-Eater. Alright, so I just applied a couple coats of our Tarte Pro lash adhesive and I'm just going to let this dry for a second so it gets tacky and then it grips right to the lash line. Alright, now I'm just going to apply a couple coats of my favorite Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. It's in this flower powered limited edition packaging and look how cute it is. Alright, I'm going to apply a couple coats. Applying mascara after applying lashes helps lock your real lashes to the falsies. Let's move on to foundation. I'm going to be using our Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation in the shade Porcelain. Okay, now that foundation's done and I like completely like whited out my face, I'm just gonna highlight a couple areas with our Shape Tape Contour Concealer in the shade Fair, just to help brighten and give my skin a little bit more dimension. Over here, my chin, right around this redness. Alright, now before I move on to contour, I have to do my brows because they look nuts. I'm going to be using our Busy Gal Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Black Brown. This just fills them in instantly. It makes them look naturally full, and I love it. Just watch. Alright, now I'm going to contour with our Tarte Pro Glow To Go, and mine has literally been through the ringer. Like, I'm missing a whole entire, like, highlight shade. Anyway, so we're gonna move on to the chisel shade and contour my cheeks, jawline, and get going. I'm going to take that same shade with a different brush and just bring it right down the sides of the bridge of my nose to give it a more slenderized appearance. Okay, and to give my nose a more sloped appearance, I'm going to take that highlighter shade Burst from that same palette and just hit it right on the tip of my nose. Give it a more sloped appearance. Alright, now we're going to top our lip off with one of our Tarte's Quick Dry Matte Lip Paints. I literally stuck my hand in the drawer and whatever shade I pulled out is the shade I'm going to wear, and I pulled the shade Rosé. I actually never wear this shade. However, it's still close to my usual mauve, so it's not really like stepping outside the box, but whatever. I never really wear the shade, so it'll be fun. Alright, I don't really love how this lip color looks with my eye look, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap my finger into the shade Flitter again from our Flower Powered palette, and I'm just going to tap it right over the lip color. Let's see how it looks. Alright, I'm like really shiny, so I'm going to give myself a matte finish. I'm going to use our new Shape Tape setting powder in the shade Translucent. I need to dust this all over because I'm really shiny now. Oh. And just so you guys know, this is the Setting Superpower Powder Brush. It's so fluffy and soft. It's also cruelty-free and vegan, just like the setting powder. Yes, much better. Much better. Alright guys, so there you have it. This was really fun. I like kind of just not really planning it out and just kind of making it up as I go. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys like this look, how it came out. I kind of like it. It's very like metallic-y, pink, shiny. It's not my typical look, but I really am feeling it. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and until next time, mwah! Take care, tartlets.